Hey guys, it's Chris Jordan here, and I wanted to talk to you about this amazing software that you can use in your business today to scale it and instantly connect with your dream clients. And what this software basically allows you to do is that it allows you to search and get targeted leads that's in your niche. It's going to bring the leads back to you. You're going to get the website, their emails, phone number, do they have a pixel on their website or not, like a Google Pixel, Facebook Pixel, uh, and pretty much everything that you need to know about the business before reaching out to them. And it's going to gather everything fast. So obviously you see that I'm in an e-commerce niche. So the businesses I work with, I picked out selectively and uploaded my own CSV file. But as you can see down here, I searched for plastic surgeons and got plastic surgeons back in different cities and states. And on the side, you can see there's campaigns. You can actually create contact us messages so it can fill out the form on their website as well. Like I said, it automates your prospecting by cold emailing prospects. Also, it tracks your emails so you know when people opened your emails. You can set up filters. For example, if you don't want to email a certain type of email like .gov, .net, things like that, profiles, contacts, tests, and then if I move my picture there, there's actually training on the inside of this software, so you don't even have to listen to this video. You can literally just skip what I'm saying, and they'll teach you everything about the software. But I actually wanted to demonstrate exactly how this uh, this software works. So obviously, you just go to create campaign, and let's say we want to search for yoga studios, yoga studios. And obviously you can see here, you can click here to get a sample CSV file. So you can click here and then, you can start uploading your list up to that Google spreadsheet. But the best thing I really like about this is the location and the keywords, but also when it's scraping data, you can actually integrate it with hunter.io if I can find it. Okay, right here. So you're not just scraping emails from the website, but you can use hunter.io to find the owners or the marketing managers and get in contact with them. So let's just say we're going after a yoga studio in Dallas, Texas. Actually, let's just do Plano, Texas. And you can obviously add more locations as well, which is another thing I like about it. And okay, so yoga studio. You can choose the email message, contact us message. Do I have a yoga studio? Okay, I do. And you can select profiles, so you can assign profiles to certain things, or you can just leave it like this and have like a VA come in here and do the work for you if you have it. Now, when to scrape data, you can have it scrape data while running the search, or you can do it while processing the campaign as well. Like I said, you can integrate hunter.io with this as well. For right now, we're just going to scrape data from the website, or you can do both actually. And then for the contact us, how to contact the leads, you could send an email, fill out the contact us form, just send the email only, send the email only and not fill out the contact form, or just submit the contact form. And another thing I like is because with a lot of people who do cold email, when they're doing their cold prospecting, they just send out the emails, but they don't actually know, the delay for each email being sent out. So you can actually put that here, and you could put it for every email. There's a 5-minute delay until they send the next email. So that's cool as well. And also, you can only send emails to verified email addresses, which requires hunter.io, the API key. And then you have additional options. You can send it to Zapier, run immediately after search. You can remove your canned spam full address and remove the unsubscribe link. So this software is really powerful, and you can literally scale your business just by doing this. So obviously, I don't know. It might take like a few seconds, like 30 seconds, maybe a minute, depending on how many studios are actually in Plano. But literally, you can search this stuff up, search the yoga studios up or search up your niche and be able to reach out to them as soon as possible, and then have the cold email sequence, which you could go here and set up cold email sequences and have that automated, and you can set up as many follow-ups as you want. So this software is really powerful. I highly recommend it, and you get a 14-day trial with this as well. Let's see what it says. Okay, so right here, so there's 6 studios in Plano, Texas. So Yoga Tree Plano, you get the address, the location, website, phone number, email. You're getting a ton of emails that works for them as well. Social links, Facebook, Twitter. You actually get to see the Google Pixel. So if you're looking for if you're looking for yoga studios to run Facebook ads for, you can literally look right here and see there's no Facebook Pixel. So they're not even running Facebook ads. SSL, rating, form, I don't know why they pop form status, and then action. You could delete these people. So let's say we just want to delete that item from it, and it's just as simple as that. And you can export this, or you can use the contact us form. Like I said, there was 54 emails. There's the one we just deleted had all the emails in it with multiple emails as well. So this software is very powerful. Like I said, you can search up many different locations as well. And you get a 14-day free trial of this. And then after that, it's $47. But you get a 14-day free trial. You could literally reach out to as many leads as possible. Most people struggle with getting leads into their business, and you can use this software to literally generate leads on autopilot. You can set up the cold email campaign one day, have like a 14-day follow-up or whatever, or how many times you want to follow up, and just let it do its work on its own. So I really recommend this software. It's one of the best softwares I've used. I'm I'm in a partnership with the owner of the software. So take the 14-day trial, use it to start growing your business. And I hope you guys and wish you guys the best success. So take care.